I'd like them to think about vulnerable groups, such as the group that I will be presenting on tonight, Black youth who are oftentimes undertreated for their mental health issues. And so I'd like for the group to have a level of sensitivity to that issue. What the large-scale epidemiological data tells us is that relative to white youth, for example, black youth and Latino youth underutilize mental health services for disorders like depression and anxiety. And so I'd like for the audience to know that, to be sensitive to those issues. I'd like for them to know what the current data are in terms of trends with respect to suicide behavior. We know that untreated mental health disorders like depression are precursor issues to engagement and suicidal behavior. So I'd like for the audience to have a sense of what those trends are so that, again, greater attunement to the issue can happen. And I think that I'd like for the audience to have a sense of the importance of what social work can do to address the issues, be that the fact that social workers are the predominant profession in terms of delivery of mental health services to kids. The fact that we often think about the person and environment fit, and so how might these interventions be brought to bear to address kids and their unique circumstances. And so those are the things that I think walking away from the conversation, I think people will have a better grasp of these issues.